Brings me that.
30 hertz straight up.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Janai and I'm back again with another video. So today I'm going to be doing another set that I found off of Instagram. I already prepped, primed, and dehydrated everything. So I'm just pretty much starting with my first bead. And as you see when I lay it, I'm just pretty much placing it, flattening it out, lifting it, and bringing the acrylic down the nail. I'm not swiping too many times. I'm just pretty much helping the acrylic make its way down the nail. So when the tip is transparent, you just want to apply a bead of acrylic on the tip and pretty much just swipe up. And now that the acrylic's starting to harden and set, I'm pretty much going to keep patting, keep swiping, and shaping the acrylic into the nail that I shaped. The reason why I do this, or I advocate it, is because it saves you a lot of time filing when the set is done. So say I'm done with this set, when it's time for me to file, it only takes me about 15 minutes versus me taking like 30-40 minutes because the shape is already there. Everything is a perfect application. It's a good application, so you don't spend as much time filing when you spend a lot of time on your application making sure that everything's set and straight. So for the cuticle bead, you want to place it near but not on the cuticle and pretty much just push it up into the cuticle. You want to make sure it's not touching the skin, it's not running anywhere. And this is important because if it gets on the skin, it will cause lifting. So you just want to be very careful when it comes to applying that cuticle bead. So whenever I draw on nails or I do like French tips specifically, I put a layer of clear coat down already, because when I don't, it kind of like bleeds. Like even though I buff really good, it still bleeds and it just doesn't look right. So whenever I do any art or anything, I put clear down first and then I draw over that. Y'all, my phone died, so I did not get me drawing the actual like French tip design. But I'm gonna go ahead and do the snake skin. I think it's snake print, snake skin. I don't know what print it is, but pretty much I just take clear top coat, and it is kind of hard to see it. Yeah, it's kind of hard. But anyways, so I just pretty much do the design with clear, and then I take the powder and I sprinkle over it, and then I cure it in the light, and then you brush off all the excess acrylic powder. So that's pretty much it for this video. I know it was a very quick tutorial, but be on the lookout for another one coming up this week. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below, and I'll see you on the next video.